Okay, hello everyone, this is Sandeep again. So today you can see this issue. So here there was a sprout and this is the bath. So that was the bath pillar. So what happened, there was a cabinet up, it just fell and broke that sprout. This is broken really badly. Now I have to replace that and install the new one. So this is the tool I bought from Screwfix with different. So this is the stud or screw extractor, and another is I bought this one from the Amazon. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one here and I'll try to take that thing out, and once it come out then I will install the new sprout. So let's start. So this one is from Amazon. As you can see, it doesn't fit, it's not going in, so I'm going to use one of those. So let's try this one. Too small. It seems like it's fit now. So I'm going to use this spanner and then I'll just take that thing off. So here, this is how I'm using. So you can see this is coming out.
Detalhe, এটা দেখছি